So here's a little bit of a throwback weekend. I was just cleaning up downstairs, made a little bit of extra space because little tractor babe took one of the computers off my vintage computer stand here, and so I thought I would set this one up here. Let's see what we get here. Control Apple reset. PR shift number 6. Can't believe I remembered that. Look at this. Wait, it gets better. Let's compete in all events. So the one I just wanted to point out here to show you how vintage this game is. Look at that. Some of these countries don't exist anymore. Too cool. Well, I know what I'm doing for the rest of this chilly day today.